So, once again, ulitin ko na lang ang ating malugod na pagbati sa ating mga attendees ngayong araw. So to our distinguished guests, IIEE officers and members, resource speakers and participants joining us on-site and online, welcome sa 2026 IIEE National Technical Summit. So to formally begin, may I call on the Vice President for Technical Affairs to deliver us our welcome remarks, Engineer Joseph Darren Claire S. Solicar. Good morning, Sir Joseph.
Yes, good morning, Sir Arjen. Loud and clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning to each and everyone. Of course, to our National President, Engineer Robert U. Mabulay, Board of Governors for 2026. And of course, on board dito yung ating former National President, no? Si Engineer Alberto Herrera Jr. Sino pa ba dito? Okay. So to our distinguished guests, our esteemed resource speakers to be formally introduced later, fellow practitioners across the country through online and hybrid, representative from different industry from the academy, from the government agencies and other companies. So, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So, it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome each one of you to this gathering of professionals who are one common vision to advance the electrical engineering profession through the knowledge, innovation, and collaboration lifelong learning. So today's summit reflects the Institute unwavering commitment to technical excellence as our industry continues to evolve and emerging technologies, sustainable energy solutions, artificial intelligence, and changing regulatory requirements. Electrical practitioners remain updated, competent, and prepared to lead the future. So with this year's theme, Engineering the Future, Advancing Electrical Excellence through Innovation and Sustainability and Technology. So we are reminded that our profession is not only about designing and maintaining electrical system. It is about creating a safer communities, enabling sustainable development, and embracing innovation and transforms industries and improves lives. So we are truly honored to have the distinguished roster of experts. This is part of the sa technical team ng IIEE. So who will share their knowledge and practical experiences throughout the day. So our first speaker, Engineer Rinaldo Santiago, the PEC 1 Committee Chairman, who will discuss the update on the proposed changes in the Philippine Electrical Code. So this is session will provide valuable insights into the latest revisions affecting electrical designs and installation. And our second speaker, Engineer Ferdinand Villarreal, the PEC2 Committee Chairman, will present the update and proposed changes of the Philippine Electrical Code, PEC2. Then our third speaker, we are also privileged to hear our a good friend, no, Engineer Christopher Villaforo, Energy Efficiency and Conservation Committee Chairman, who will discuss energy conservation, electric mobility, energy conservation with charging infrastructure. So as electric mobility continues to expand in the Philippines, so this topic is timely and highly relevant in promoting the sustainable energy utilization. So that's it. And our next speaker is Engineer Marvin Casida, the Publications Committee Chairman, will present effective writing and important tool for engineers. And of course, our TCPD chairman, Engineer Ryan K. Umali, the TCPD committee chairman, will share his expertise on EI revolution. So this is very important because EI is we need of tools, especially we are the electrical practitioners. So exploring how artificial intelligence in reshaping engineering design, analysis, operations, and decision making. So we are also gain valuable knowledge from our chairman of the standards committee, Engineer Conrado Binondo. So as he discusses PNS IEC 6364 -1 edition 6 low voltage electrical installation. So providing updates on international standards and best practices that support safe and reliable electrical installations. So finally, our chairman of the RME, so Mr. Marcelito Mangawang, Armiac chairman, will present IAA programs, RMEs, and the NLEP program. Initiatives that continue to strengthen the competencies and professional development of our registered master electrician and our non-licensed electrical practitioners. So these carefully topics affect the revolving landscape of our profession. So from the updates of Philippine Electrical Code and international standards to energy efficiency, electrical mobility, artificial intelligence, technical writing, and professional development, together provide us knowledge that is both practical, essential in today's rapidly changing engineering environment. So, in behalf of the organizing committee, the technical committee of the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines, Incorporated, I extend our heartfelt gratitude to our speakers, sponsors, partners, and everyone who contributed to making this National Technical Summit possible. So may this event inspire us to continue pursuing engineering excellence, uphold the highest standards and professionalism, and work together in building the safer, smarter, more sustainable, and technologically advanced Philippines. Once again, welcome to the IIEA 2026 National Technical Summit. May, may we all have a productive and meaningful and enriching day. Thank you and mabuhay ang IIEE.
Thank you so much, Engineer Solicar, for that very warm, welcome message. And of